Welcome back, friends. Today we learn conditional formatting based on cell value changes. So when you select drop down, the respective line should highlight with respective color based on the color coding available in column I. Let's start applying conditional formatting. For that, select first row data and click on conditional formatting. Click on new rule and then use the last option. Since we are checking condition with drop down, hence you need to use the last option. So here start typing formula is equal to, and we are checking the condition with G3 is equal to 1 and matching that particular cell value with column E. Hence select column E2 is equal to 1. So this condition checks if G3 value equal to E3 value matching, then the format should be what. So you select the format here, click on format, go to fill, choose color and then go to font, choose font whichever you want and color also, and click OK and OK. So the condition is applied. So similar way you apply for other two conditions as well. So click on manage rule. So you can copy this same condition and click on new rule. Again go to last option, paste here. Now instead of 1, check 2 and again fill the color and font also you can choose. Click OK and create third option as well. So click on new rule, go to last option, paste here, instead of 1 change to 3, right? Click on format, select the color code for 3 is red, and again font, if you want to change the font color also you can do, and click OK, OK, apply and OK. So now click on format painter and apply for other data as well. Right. So whenever you change the drop down, accordingly color applies. You can see. Simple and most useful. Thank you.